Dear students, today's topic is abbreviation used in homeopathy prescription writing. Abbreviation used in homeopathy prescription writing. Dear students, abbreviation is used by the physician in prescription writing in daily routine medical practice because writing of abbreviation save the valuable time of physician as well as save the space in medical record. So it is essential for you to learn it by heart. The following are some commonly used abbreviation in homeopathy pharmacy. Latin or Greek words may be learned from the standard homeopathy pharmacy book. Abbreviation used in homeopathy prescription writing. Dear student, the following abbreviations are directly related to the patient. AC, AU sebum before food, PRC Pruis Cevus after food, ALT Hor Alternis Horis every other day, ALT Noct Alternis Nocta every other night, Ante before, bis twice, BD bis in D twice daily, BID bis in dies twice in a day, SIB Sivas food or meal, CM crash mane tomorrow morning, CN crash nocti tomorrow night, CV crash vespere tomorrow evening, D dot D in D day die in do from day to day, DIEV dot alt divers alternates on alternate day, garg gargarisma a gargle, let doll laeteri dolente to the painful side, M dot etn mene et nocte morning and night, noct nocte at night, none not do not, non-rep non-repeater do not repeat, nox night, omni-man omni-mane every morning, omn noct omni nocte every night, omn hor omni hora every hour, omni vi omni vi hora every 2 hour, OD omni die every day, QH QQ hora every hour, QID quarter in die 4 times a day, semel once, semel in day, semel in die once a day, septimana a week, SOS see opposite if necessary, STMT statim immediately, some sumet let his take, TD or TID ter in dry, thrice daily. Abbreviation used in homeopathy prescription writing. Dear student, the following abbreviations are directly related to vehicles, prepared products, and external application. Lac, milk, SL, saccharum lactase sugar of milk, SVR, spiritus, vini, rectificatus, alcohol, cera, wax, cerat, ceratum, cerat, caps, capsule, a capsule, AQ, aqua, water, aqua bull, aqua bulliens, boiling water, aqua com, aqua communis, common water, aqua dest, aqua distillata, distilled water, aqua ferv, aqua fervens, hot water, Aquapure, Aquapura, pure water. Bol, bolus, a large pill. Calcalure, collyrium, an eye wash. Colute, colutorium, a mouthwash. Chart, a paper. Compositus, compound. Confrecamen, confrecamentum, a liniment. Dosis, a dose. Gargarisma, gargle. Linimentum, a liniment. Lotio, a lotion. Mother substance. Pulvus, a powder. Mother tincture. Solution. Tincture, tincture. Unguentum, an ointment. Abbreviation used in homeopathy prescription writing. Dear student, the following abbreviations are related to measurement. AEQ equal C centum a hundred, C conjugates a gallon, CC cubic centimeter, conclair spoonful, conclair ampullum a tablespoonful, conclair magnum a large spoonful, conclair minimum a small spoonful, conclair modicum a dessert spoonful, Xanthus a glass, C. Vin. Xanthus veneris a wine glass. D. Doses a dose. Decem 10. Gm, G gramme gram. Grana a grain. Gt gutta a drop. Hastus a draught. Minim a drop. Magnus large. Oct a pint. P.AE partus, Aquilus equal part, Parvus little, double S semis half, double S semi half, capital S small s semi half, semel once, antia an ounce, volume, WT weight. Abbreviation used in homeopathy prescription writing. Dear student, the following abbreviations are directly related to the compounder. Add, let then be added. Ad lib, ad libitum, to the desired amount. Agita, shake or stir. Capitate, let him take. Ceto dispensator, let it be, dispense quickly. Decanta, pour off. Dilutus, dilute. Dimidus, one half. Divide. Let it be divided into equal parts. Denture, talis, doses, give of such doses. X and Ft fiat, let it be made. Ft serrate, fiat serratum, let a serrate be made. Ft char 12, fiat chartuli 12, let 12 powders be made. Ft colure, fiat colurium, let an eyewash be made. Ft hast, fiat haster, make a draught. Ft linim, fiat linimentum, let a linimentum be made. Ft mist, fiat mistura, let a mixture be made. Fiat pill, fiat pillula, make a pill. Fiat pulp, fiat pulvis, let a powder be made. Ft solute, fiat solutio, let a solution be made. Habeat, let him have. Mites sand, mit tall, mitte tales sand such, mist mistura, a mixture, mode prescript, modo prescripto, as prescribed, more dict, mora dicto, to be used in the manner directed, mdu, moro dicto utendum, to be used as directed, ql, quantum levate, as much as required, qp, quantum placate, as much as you please, qs, quantum sufficient, a sufficient quantity, qv, quantum vis, as much as you wish, capital S, small s, half, double S, half, semel, once, sol, solution.